Perhaps you consider your communication a huge calling card, or maybe it's never come easily. There's this feeling where you're speaking in an online meeting, your speech accelerates, it's out of control, or your voice cracks and the words just simply don't come to mind. If you know you should be more persuasive or assertive, or if you fail to make your message sound logical when under pressure, if speaking clearly with your peers and customers in a professional environment is a real challenge, if using the right tone of voice to get your message across feels difficult, or even if you want to be able to engage in conversations more confidently and effectively, then pay close attention, because there's a reason why. There's an art and science to high-performance communication. Ever want an entire roadmap to communication success? After training high-performance communication with hundreds of clients from all over the world, I know so many people are needing support in this area, especially now. I see that daily. Over 6 years, I have developed a tested and systematic method to audit your voice tone, speaking and communication, and in so doing, pinpoint the exact bottleneck that you're facing in your speaking. And I want to share that with you, no matter where you are, so that you know where you stand and have a game plan to excel when you're communicating. Click the link below to enroll and get to the bottom of what your communication needs to progress. Here's what you'll get: a tailored and comprehensive audit into every aspect of your communication, so you know precisely what you need to boost to break your communication barriers. Assessment into your voice tone to ensure that you're not sabotaging a good message with a poor sound. Assessment of speech intonation and expression factors, pitch, tone, word stress and emphasis, so you can learn how to sound more interesting and persuasive. Investigation of your speaking fluency features. We will determine whether your speech is broken and disjointed or moving to a mumble, so that you can learn how well your speaking flows and what you need to incorporate to sound more interesting, confident and clear. Speech rate assessment. We will determine whether your speech is too fast or too slow and compare it to research-based findings on the best speech rhythm for listener engagement, so that you can add credibility and capture your audience. Screening of your language and vocabulary power, so we can identify strategies for word-finding problems, logical structure, topic building, storytelling and message precision. Assessment of your social communication tool stack. What tools do you need to build rapport, engage, convince and persuade others more effectively? How can you scale your interpersonal skills to get the influence you need? A communication activity inventory. What types of communication activities do you need for your job, small business, career path and interests? What areas are working well and which need more skill? Video-based assessment online in a practical conversational format led by me, so that you would speak as you normally would in order for us to get a true picture of your communication while performing under pressure and your communication in this new important virtual space. You can do this audit in your own time zone according to your schedule. You'll also get access to the High Performance Communication Success digital blueprint, so that you can have a guide to the key features of clear and confident communication, valued at $110. A 30-minute communication strategy feedback session with me, so that you can learn exactly what your communication needs and get all your questions answered, valued at $220. The communication strategy feedback session is one of my favourite appointments to deliver. You'll get so much clarity and advocacy about your communication from this appointment, as well as a game plan on how to build so that you can move forward and communicate with more confidence and comfort. I will identify for you the main bottleneck that you face that is holding your communication back from improving, and recommend ways we can partner with you to solve it. Click the link below to enroll today. I can't wait to meet you, to help you and support you. Voice Science, advocating for communication impact since 2013.